Hey YouTube, quick video. On the old L322. I really like these side flashers that are right in front of the gills, the vents. Of course, the 405 doesn't have them, and the gills are completely decorative. But I've always thought these were cool. Found a replacement on either eBay or Amazon. I forget. I think it was on eBay, and I'll include the link. So these are blacked out. I think the old ones are pretty cool, but these are blacked out and they go across, so we'll see that. Let's pop it in real quick. And these sit out in the sun and weather, so it wouldn't surprise me if they crack a little. There's a tab in the front if you can get under. If I can get back in there. There we go. I don't know if you can see that back in there, but it's just a little tab on one side. All right, I'm gonna take that off. This is actually a replacement from when I bought it. The old ones were in pretty rough shape, so I sourced these, and these have been on for about 11 years. So I pulled the old bulb out, and I'm just using the bulb socket. This would have gone up inside and turned in there to lock it in. But in this case, we're not going to use that. So I'm just going to plug it in. And I know, there we go. Whoop. I'm going to have to tighten that up a little bit. I'm just going to put a little bit of electrical tape on there. I have no misgivings that it's going to keep out water, but it's just to keep this from falling down inside the fender. So just by dumb luck, I knew that I wanted them flashing backwards, but just by dumb luck, I happened to match up. You can see the shorter peg and then the longer clip, and so put those in. Upgrade.